We started our weekend with a kiting sesh and decided to get some footage.
We didn't have the GoPro handy, so we'll get better footage next time.
We were all up super early on Sunday, so we decided to take Brent's fishing boat out for a cheeky wakeboard.
Kel was super busy, so she'll have to join us next time.
It was soon time to head back as we had a date with a 32-foot yacht and we had some hitchhikers in our wake.
Oh, wow, did you see that?
Yeah.
It was just behind the boat.
Yeah, they're in the wake.
Right, right there in the wake.
Oh.
Wow.
And they weren't the only ones tagging along. We had all had a great morning, but it was time to head off and have some lunch and to get ready for our yachting adventure later in the afternoon. More footage to come.